Hiya 12, just going to go through question 9 of exercise 12k, which was modelling with differentiation. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw that diagram out. And then I know that that length is r. So I know that this length must be 2r. And I don't know what this length here is, so I'm just going to call it h for height. Therefore that length there is h as well. So I know that given the perimeter of the shape is 40 centimeters, so if I can find an equation for the perimeter, I can make it equal to 40 centimeters. So the perimeter would be, well, this curved edge would be half of 2 pi r. So let's just put P for perimeter plus 2h plus 2r. That gives me my curved edge, my two heights, and my base. So then let's just simplify that a bit. The perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2h plus 2r. And then before I sort of, well, that's equal to 40 as well, which I'll bring in a second. Now it says show that the area is given by that formula. So let's try and get a formula for the area. So the area would be, for the circle, it would be pi r squared over 2, because it's a semicircle, plus 2r times h, because that's my rectangle at the bottom there. Now the difference between what I've got and what we've got in the question is that there is no h in there. So I'm going to try and make it so that I don't have an h in this one as well, in the area formula that I've got. I'm going to do that by rearranging this and making h the formula, h the subject, then going to sub it in. So 2h equals 40 minus pi r minus 2r. Then if I divide by 2, then I've got h equals 20 minus pi r over 2 minus r. So now I can sub h in to here, because I've got a formula in terms of h and I've got h in there. So area equals pi r squared over 2 plus 2r times 20 minus pi r over 2 minus r. Okay, so this is starting to look good because I'm seeing some of these in my formula that I want. So the area is equal to, let's put it in their order, so we've got 40r minus 2r squared, and then pi r squared. So this is pi r squared over 2, take away pi r squared. It's almost like doing 1 minus a half minus 1, because pi r squared is your like term there. So that will get you minus pi r squared over 2. So that's the first bit done. I thought that was quite a lot for 2 marks. Hence find the maximum value for the area of the shape. So the maximum value, remember in a graph, maximum value is going to occur where our gradient is equal to 0. So if I differentiate this with respect to r, then I can set it equal to 0, find whether it's a maximum or a minimum. So let's differentiate that. So I've got my dA over dr is equal to that. So then if I set that equal to 0, then I can try and work out what r is. So 4r plus pi r equals 40. So I've just moved those, added those to both sides, take out a factor of r. So r must be 40 over 4 plus pi. So what we're saying is that when the perimeter is 40, our radius, which this could be a maximum or a minimum point at the moment, but our maximum or minimum radius is this. So if that's our radius, and find the maximum value of for the area. So let's just make sure it is a maximum, so we can differentiate again. I might have got the notation a bit wrong. It might be due to a dr2. What? You know what I'm doing? So I'm finding the second derivative now, which is minus 4 minus pi. Which shows that it's always going to be negative, therefore it is a maximum. Because you're not needing to sub in r to see that it's negative. So then we needed to find the maximum value for the area. So if r is this, then at a maximum, then we can sub it in to our formula for area, and minus 240 pi squared minus pi. Then I've sort of run out of space, but and then you could simplify that, and I haven't actually found what the answer is, but that'll be how you get to your final answer. All right, yeah, let's just do it. 40 squared would be 1,600. So that is 3,200 over 4 plus pi. Then it was r squared. So, oh wait, that'll be squared as well. Then minus pi. I don't know, did they say how to leave the final answer? Doesn't say. So yeah, I don't know how much they want you to simplify it from there, but I think seeing as it's 4 marks, maybe leave it like that. It looks a bit messy, but can't simplify any of these fractions. So yeah, I'll just leave it like that, I think. So I hope that cleared some things up. If not, then please just email.